Apply 2 coats of white Genius Special, which is a very important primer for Caravaggio. It should be diluted correctly. Leave it to dry for 4 to 5 hours between each coat. Apply 1 coat of Caravaggio with a special professional Caravaggio plastic trowel. Leave it to dry for about 6 to 8 hours between each coat. Apply the second coat of Caravaggio in order to even the surface as much as possible. Leave it to dry for about 6 hours. Apply Caravaggio on the red broccato spatula using a normal paintbrush. Start applying by tempering the surface in irregular directions. Wait for about 5 minutes and go back over the surface, touching it very gently in different directions, as you can see in the video.